What's going on today, guys? My name is that Volkswagen guy, and today, welcome to part one of how to detail. So, in today's part, I'm going to show you how to detail rims and tires. So, let's switch over to the GoPro here. Let's head outside, and I'll show you how to detail rims and tires. All right, so some things that you are going to need to do rims and tires. It's your favorite wheel and tire cleaner.
Your favorite?
Couple of brushes here. Just got to reattach this one. And also a pressure washer. So first of all, what you should do is to spray down the rims and tires, including the wheel wells here. So let's get right to that. Alrighty, so with the rim and tire nice and wet, now you just got to spray on your wheel and tire cleaner.
Yeah, get it all moist.
Shut up, Taylor. Wow, these rims needed it. Look at the suds. Then, with your determined brushes here, just scrub the wheel first before you do the actual rim. Make sure she's all nice and clean. So with this step here, repeat as many times as you need to before the suds turn white and not brown like these ones out here.
I'm trying really hard to keep it up, so.
Well, people are gonna hear you anyways. I ain't cutting any of this. I ain't cutting any of this.
Oh, good.
Yeah, so everyone can hear your voice.
They can hear me.
Oh, I know they can. Alright, so let's repeat this step till we get those suds nice and white.
It's white.
And the reason for that is we know the wheel's clean that way. Oh yeah, she's white.
Oh, yeah.
Oh yeah. No, for people who actually watch this, they're probably gonna wonder who you are.
That's okay. We can wonder.
Alright, sounds good to me.
You know, you make it sound bad for the people that do watch your channel. You know, for the people that watch this channel.
Most of my videos get like one view anyways.
But I'm not in them, so you could get many.
Well, this is a how-to series, so it could blow up, you never know. So Alright, so as you see what I'm doing now, I'm doing the actual rim surface here with the same brush that I'm using. Make sure that's all nice and shiny clean. Yeah.
Yeah.
Look how dirty that is. Look at the suds near the tire. That's why it's important to have your rims clean.
Yeah, you get that tire wet.
Oh yeah, I will.
Oh yeah.
Alright, so what I just did with this rim, you gotta do it on all four to make it nice and clean for if you're doing it for yourself or if you're trying to start up your own detail company. You need to do all four rims. Then once you do that, go ahead to part 2 of this series here, which is going to be how to properly wash your vehicle.